Hello, Jackbricks here, and today we're going to be opening and speed building the Hogwarts Express set, which includes 801 pieces, 6 minifigures, retails for $80 in the United States, but I actually picked this up, and Mom picked it up, for $60, because she picked it up at Walmart, and that is not where they sell the set. This is actually Target exclusive, so that's pretty interesting. And 75955, so yeah. And yeah, let's start speed building this. Box, you get, I think, 7 bags of Lego, and you get an instruction booklet. But this time, actually, the stickers are actually inside instead of like my last speed build, which I'll link right up there. And yeah, so let's start speed building this boy. And that is it for this speed build, and I am so impressed by how the final product came out. This is now officially one of my new favorite sets. I can't lie. This platform 9 3/4 build is so good, and this Hogwarts Express is perfect. I just love this build. I can't wait to go put this on some tracks and test it out. And so that is it for this video. Make sure to like it and subscribe, and then I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Bye.